Good afternoon, children. So, due to network issue, I was not able to explain you the feet and claws of birds chapter. So, again, I'm explaining you here with the help of book. Please listen it carefully. First category of feet and claws is for flesh-eating birds. So, flesh-eating birds are having very sharp claws. They are called talons. Talons means the claws which are having very sharp nails in front. These talons are used to pick up small toads, mice and rats. As they have to pick up the flesh or small animals as their food, they use these talons to hold the small animals in their talons and they flew away. Second category is the perching bird. Perching means to hold on something. Like this sparrow is sitting over the tree branch. You can see in the picture the sparrow is sitting on the tree branch and it is holding the tree branch with the help of its very sharp feet, or you can say claws, right? For example, crow, sparrow, pigeon, parrot all use their feet to hold on to tree branch and to sit on them. This is called perching. Means suppose this is a tree branch and a bird is sitting over the tree branch like this, using its feet, the tree branches being held by the bird with the help of its feet. This is called perching. When a bird flies and comes to sit over the tree branch and hold on with its feet, this is called perching, right? So these birds are called perching. Our third category is the scratching birds. Scratching means to scratch something, to dig the ground with its claws, sharp claws. So hen and peacock, you all know that they eat insects also, they eat seeds also from the soil. So they dig out seeds and insects from the soil while scratching the soil or while digging the ground with its sharp claws. So they are called scratching birds. Fourth are the climbing birds. Climbing birds like woodpecker, hoop, they peck into the tree trunk. What is pecking? To do like this, tuck, 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 with the help of its beak. With the help of its beak, right? Because you all know that woodpecker and hoop find their food in the tree trunks, right? They find their food in the tree trunks. So to reach up to the tree trunks, they need to climb up there. So they are having feet like this. Their feet are having 4 toes. 2 toes in upright direction and 2 toes in down direction. They are called climbing birds. Our fifth category is the water bird. So water birds are of 2 types. One water bird are those like duck and goose who can swim in water. And second category of water bird is like heron, crane, stork. They can walk through the water. Alright. So our fifth category is water bird, and water birds are of 2 subcategories. One, those who can swim, and second, those who can walk in the water. Right. So we are talking about at the first one. First subcategory, that is duck and goose. Duck and goose can swim in water, right? And you see, for swimming, they have to pedal their feet, right? They have to pedal their feet. In order to do that, their feet are webbed. Webbed means, like suppose this is a type of feet, and in between the feet, there is a skin present in between. Alright, their feet is bonded with the help of a skin present inside this. You can see very clearly in the book that how the feet of a duck and goose are webbed. Means there is skin present between the toes. These are type of feet which are called as webbed feet. They are called as webbed feet. Alright, means there is skin present between the toes which help them to push the water behind. While swimming. And our last subcategory is the water birds, those who can walk through the water. The water birds, those can walk through the water, are called wading birds. What are they called? They are called wading birds, right? So wading birds are not having skin in between the toes. There is no skin present between the toes. Their fingers are open. Their feet fingers are open, spread out toes like ours. Like we are having open fingers. In the same case, the wading birds are having open toes. There is no skin present in between. Water birds, those who are called wading birds, such as heron, stork and crane, they can walk through the water, right? So this was all about the categories of feet and claws. First is flesh eating. Their claws are called talons to hold small animals. Second is perching, those who perch over the tree branch, those who sit and hold over the tree branch, like sparrow, pigeon. Third is scratching, those who scratch the ground to dig out insects and seeds. Fourth is climbing, those who climb up the tree to peck the tree to find their food or to make their nest. They are called climbing. Their 2 toes are in upright direction and 2 toes are in down direction. Last category is water bird. It is divided into 2 subcategories. One birds, those who can swim in water, and second subcategory, the one birds who can walk through the water. So webbed feet are of swimming birds, like duck and goose. Open spread out toes and long legs are of wading birds, those who can walk in the water. So thank you children. This was the topic I want to explain you. I hope you have understood it. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Alright children, bye-bye. Take care.